This 2024 Brinkley RV Model Z 3110 is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Middlebury, Indiana, 46540 and is offered for sale by Royal RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Brinkley RV is 34 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, slide-out, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.